Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome back to the channel. Join me today while we take a look at the Wat Mongkol Nimit Thai Buddhist temple located in Phuket Town, Thailand. Wat Mongkol Nimit is a traditional Thai Buddhist temple located very near to the Talang Road in the Old Town quarter of Phuket Town. The temple is open daily from 8 AM to 7:30 PM and admission is free, and the location of the temple means that it's very easy to visit at the same time as seeing the other major attractions in Old Phuket Town. Wat Mongkol Nimit was constructed in 1880. The temple was originally called Wat Klang because of its location in the center of Phuket Town. Klang means middle in Thai. Wat Mongkol Nimit is a busy working temple with lots of resident monks, many of whom study at the religious school located in the temple grounds. The monks live and study in a large Sino-Portuguese style building similar to the historic buildings scattered around the Old Town quarter. One of the main features at Wat Mongkol Nimit is its large chedi. A chedi is a type of tower which contains holy relics and is a place where Buddhists come to meditate. The Thai version of the chedi is similar to the stupa built at Buddhist temples in Sri Lanka, India and Nepal. The main feature of Wat Mongkol Nimit is its shrine hall. The shrine hall, which is richly and elaborately decorated with designs featuring gold leaf along with blue and red painting. The gable end of the roof by the front entrance is particularly impressive. Visitors to Wat Mongkol Nimit are free to enter the shrine hall so long as they are appropriately dressed. This means having trousers or a skirt that covers your knees, shoulders and upper arms are also need to be covered. The reason visitors are required to dress modestly is that the shrine hall contains a large golden statue of the Lord Buddha, which is considered sacred by local Buddhists. If you are visiting and sightseeing in Old Phuket Town, this temple is well worth checking out. It's a modern, busy, working temple and not as popular as some of the older temples, and admission is free. Unfortunately, when we visited, we couldn't go inside the temple as it was closed, but most days it is open to tourists and members of the general public. Admission is free and you need to be appropriately dressed. Thanks for watching until the end. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please consider subscribing and watch out for my other videos which will be coming out very soon. Once again, thanks for watching. Bye for now, and I will see you all again very soon.